Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the primary owner of the workspace into Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. First of all, you just simply have to open your Slack application, and after that just simply tap into this drop down besides the workspace name. Then from there tap into this tools and settings option and go to manage members option. Now after tapping into that manage members, it will lead you to the browser site of Slack. You just simply have to wait a while and this page will appear. Now into here you can see all of the list of the members of your workspace. You just simply have to select the members or make the primary owner. In order to do that, just simply tap into these three dots and then choose this change account type option. And after that, you just simply have to choose this workspace owner option and then click to save button. Then after doing this very easy steps, your workspace ownership will successfully be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.